Hello, as you can see, I have clicked on my group A, the LeSueur group for the Jamboard for brainstorming policies. Then what I need to do is to find my last name, the first initial of my last name, which is L. So it'll take me to sheet 3. This is the sheet I will update with my ideas for a policy. There are a couple of ways you can do this. One way is to create a sticky note. So as you can see on the button here, there's a little sticky note icon. You can pick a color if you'd like. You need to write your name, policy, and brief description of the policy. And then you can click save. And I'm going to click out on cancel here, and then you can post your policy on the document. The other way you can do that is to create a text box. So if you click on the text box button and then click into the document, you write your name. This is so we can grade your assignment. The policy, you're a policy idea and then a brief description. There you go, brief description. You can make it bigger like that and then post it that way. So that is 2 ways that you can post your ideas. Remember, your ideas need to be novel, so new ideas to this sheet, and you need to come up with 2. Please include your name, the policy, and a brief description of the policy so that we can provide you, give you credit for the assignment. If you have any questions or anything like that, please let us know. Yeah, so that's how we're going to interact with Jamboard this week. Have a great week.